Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by selecting 6 fresh ears of sweet corn, husk and silk them, and rinse under cold water. Using a sharp knife, cut kernels off the cob into a bowl. 6 ears should yield about 5 to 6 cups of kernels. If you prefer lightly seasoned corn, dissolve 1 teaspoon salt into 4 cups of water to make a mild brine, otherwise use plain boiling water. Keep kernels cool until ready to blanch to retain sweetness and color, and inspect for any remaining cob bits. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and blanch the corn kernels for 4 minutes to set color and texture. Meanwhile, warm your canning jars in hot water and prepare lids and bands. Remove kernels from boiling water and drain briefly, then pack hot kernels tightly into jars, leaving exactly 1-inch headspace. Press kernels gently to remove air pockets. If desired, add 1/2 teaspoons salt per pint jar, or 1 teaspoon per quart. Fill jars with boiling water to the 1-inch head. Sweet corn is a low-acid vegetable and must be pressure canned for safety. Load jars into a pressure canner, following manufacturer instructions, and process pints for 55 minutes and quarts for 85 minutes at 10 pounds pressure at sea level. Increase pressure for higher altitudes per your canner guide. After processing, allow the canner to cool naturally, remove jars, and let them rest undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Confirm seals. Label with date, store in a cool, dark place, and expect a batch from 6 ears to yield about 6 to 7 pints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.